How much do you think the chemical industry has been affected by the advent of artificial intelligence? Quite a lot, in fact. The role of AI has been increasing exponentially across various sectors, and the chemical industry is no exception. This innovative technology is revolutionizing the way we approach chemical production, research, and development. AI is not just a tool for automation, but a catalyst for change. It's paving the way for job creation, helping the chemical industry thrive in ways we never imagined. It's also fueling market growth, making the industry more profitable and sustainable. And let's not forget global competitiveness. With AI, the chemical industry is taking leaps and bounds ahead, positioning itself as a global leader in innovation. Yet the impact of AI is not just economic. It's transforming the very core of the industry, making it smarter, safer, and more efficient. Now, imagine the chemical industry without the influence of AI. Would it be the same? A world without AI in the chemical industry seems hard to grasp, doesn't it? Picture a time when manual processes reigned supreme, when development times were slower, and the potential for human error was a constant worry. The chemical industry was a labyrinth of intricate procedures, dependent on meticulous human oversight and intervention. The pace was slow and the margin for error was high. Economically, this translated into higher production costs and longer lead times, impacting the industry's overall profitability and efficiency. In terms of global competitiveness, the chemical industry without AI was a bit like a runner with weights on their ankles, trying to keep pace with industries that had already embraced digital transformation. The economic implications were significant: stagnant growth, limited market share, and a struggle to attract investment. This was the reality of the chemical industry in the pre-AI era. Now that we've painted a picture of the chemical industry without AI, let's delve into how AI has revolutionized this sector. Step into the modern world, where AI has become a game changer in the